So suppose you are asked to make root 7. Now he is drawn root 3 here. How is he drawn? What he does is he says root 3 is the OD square. Root 3 square can be written as root 2 square plus 1. Okay, 1 square. So that means first you draw root 2. So you take, you go to 0, make 1, make another one. The perpendicular is root 2. Okay. Then this is root 2, make another perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular. So Pythagoras 1 square plus, basically what we are doing is we are doing root 2 square is equal to root 1 square plus 1. So this will be the root 2 if this is 1 and this is 1. If this is root 2 and this is 1, that means you don't know, this will be root 3. But if supposing by this method I have to do root 7, this will be very long and you will make mistakes. You'll have to draw 1 here, make a perpendicular, make 1 here, then you will get 4, then again root 4. Then this is nonsense. Don't do this. The other approach is this. You do this. Root 7 can be drawn in 3 ways. You can draw root 7 in 3 ways. Either it should root 6 plus 1, or root 3 plus 2 whole square, or root 3 whole square, these 2 ways. Okay. So it's root 7 is 3 plus 4 under root. So basically I have to draw either I first find root 6. But how do I find root 6? Now that, oh, but that is difficult. So this is easier. Root 3 plus 2. Okay. So how do I do root 3? You know, na, you make, you take 1 here. This is 1. Okay. First you take 1 and 1, 1 here and 1 here, and you will get root 3. Then you put root 3 here. You know root 3 now. Okay. So this is root 3, this distance, this distance. Put 1 here. You get root 7, root 3. So this, you got root 2 and root 1, you get root 3. Then root 3 you make, and you make 2 here. So basically I made a rectangle which has got 2 here and root 3 here. So I will get root 7 here. So first step is from 1 and 1, 1 and 1, you make a rectangle with 1 and 1. Okay, get root 2. Then, then take root 2 here on the, make 1 here. You get root 3. Then put root 3 on this and make 2 here and get this root 7. This is one way. So first step is 1 and 1, get root 2. Then make 1 on this, get root 3, then make 2 on this. So this is one way. Then there's another way. Suppose I draw roots, then I can, root 6 can be written in many ways. You can write root 6 whole square as 2 square plus root 2 square. Because this will give you 6, this will give you 4, and this will give you 2. Okay. So what I will do is, I will first go to 2. So can there be another way? Can there be another way? Yes, there can be another way. I can write root 6 whole square as root 5 whole square plus 1 square. That means on one side I can keep root 5 and then I make 1 here. But how do I get root 5? Root 5, you can get root 5 different ways. But he has done this way. He has done 2 square plus root 2 square. Okay. You can see he's done this. What he does is first he gets root 2. So he starts with 0. Hmm? So he starts with 0 and he puts 1 here and 1 here and he gets root 2 this, Then he brings root 2 on the number line. So that means this length is root 2 now. Generally we make 1 here now make 2 here. So we got a rectangle with root 2 on one side. And what is this? This is the same thing as making one side as root 2 and the other side as 2 to get root 6. So root 2 is already we have. So 2 you make and you root 6. So this you can, the same technique you can do with 5. I will show you what you do. What you do is we have to make root 5 on this number line first. So root 5 can be written as 2 square plus 1 square. So take 2 on one side and 1 here. This will be root 5. Because 2 square plus 1 square is root 5 square. Then take this, you start with 0, okay? 0 to 2, 1. You'll get this as root 2, root 5. Then make 1 on this and then join this. That will be root 6. Bring it here. So I have used this method. I've used the other method. I have done this. The book has done this. This one. Understood both the methods?